Hey everyone, today we're going to discuss two crypto-linked stocks that I think you'll be very excited to start tracking. They are Coinbase and MicroStrategy. Both names are very much linked to the price of Bitcoin. I'd like to get into them because I feel like Bitcoin is finding its bottom here, and if you're bullish on Bitcoin, these could supercharge your portfolio as BTC climbs. We'll cover what each one does, their Bitcoin ties, their current standings, past year highs and lows, and while they'll rise with BTC. It's a video you won't want to miss, so let's get started.
I don't need recognition. I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues. I'm in position.
First one up, let's talk about MicroStrategy, MSTR ticker symbol. MicroStrategy is a company that started as an enterprise software firm specializing in business intelligence and AI analytic tools. But since 2020, under the CEO, Michael Saylor, it's been transformed into the largest Bitcoin holding company. They act almost like a Bitcoin treasury. They hold over 581,000 Bitcoin, and they're funded by issuing convertible notes and equities against that. So how does it relate to Bitcoin? Well, because they own so much, they are basically a leveraged proxy of Bitcoin. And with Bitcoin down, it's no surprise that MicroStrategy goes with it. And with Bitcoin seeing new highs, there will be no surprise that MicroStrategy will rise with it as well. They buy and hold Bitcoin as their primary reserve asset. So every time there's an opportunity for them to buy, they buy Bitcoin. They just keep buying and keep buying and keep increasing the company's Bitcoin reserve. And that's basically the business model. Now, as of February 6th, MicroStrategy closed at $134.93, up 26% on that day, but down still 11% year to date because crypto is still very volatile. In the past year, the 52-week high was over $557, and the low just recently, $104, showing massive swings tied to Bitcoin. So, being that the all-time high was at 473.83 and the 52-week high was 457.22, and now we're hitting a low, we could see a nice rebound to new highs soon. MSTR has a very strong base to surge from, given its direct holdings and low carrying costs. So personally, that's on my radar. For those of you that enjoy trading or don't have as much money, you want to buy the ETF, you have MSTX, which is the 2x long ETF on MicroStrategy as well. That will be amplified to the downside or to the upside, depending which direction it goes. So stay safe investing in those two things. Now, I want to notice a correlation between MicroStrategy and Coinbase is both when they hit their all-time low around April 8th of last year, which I'll pull up the charts in a second. Both of them had all-time lows in Bitcoin as well for the year. So roughly around 75,000. So let's get into Coinbase as well, because it's uncanny how these two follow each other when Bitcoin really drops. Coinbase, COIN, is the largest U.S. cryptocurrency exchange, founded in 2012. I had an account right away when it first happened. Users buy and sell Bitcoin and a bunch of other coins. I think they have over 200 and almost 250 cryptos at this point. When I was on it years ago, I don't really go on it anymore. It was like 6 or 7 cryptos. So they've grown substantially. They're getting involved in a lot of new things. And they're currently sitting at a very low at 165.12. Extremely low, extremely valuable buy zone here. They're up 13% on February 6th as well, but down 20%, 27% year to date. So you can see the correlation between those three names and the strength of Bitcoin. In the past year, the high was $444.64. It peaked in mid-2025, and the low was $142.58, sitting not far from where it is right now, or where it just dropped, right? So in conclusion, I think MSTR holds BTC daily for leverage, and MSTX doubles down on the leverage of that. And Coinbase profits from the trading frenzy. Coinbase is more related to many cryptos, but all cryptos, there's one to rule them all, and that's Bitcoin. So all of them have dipped. Tell me what you think of the crypto market, when you think you're getting in. Maybe you're not getting in at all if you're interested in any of these names, or if you're already invested in dollar cost averaging them. As always, Tamir is here for you, providing quality content, mindset, and disciplines and news. Now I do news. So you can learn from my mistakes. You don't have to make them. Discipline of the day: do not overtrade. Definitely don't want to do that in today's market. Take care, everybody. Safe time investing.
Recognition, I'm on a mission.